Namaste friends, welcome back to the Sathi Technology. In this video, we will learn how to add app updater in the Flutter project. So here first we need to add the package, and the package that we are going to use is upgrader. Okay. So here at the time of recording, the latest version is 11.4.0, and that you can see here. So the first thing we need to add this package in the project. So after adding this in the pubspec.yml, just click on this pub.get, and it will just download the dependency and add the package. After that, in the main.dart, we need to first initialize the object, and here we will just create the object upgrader, and then here we will pass debug display always true and debug logging true. Now after that, in the main we need to just initialize this. So upgrader dot initialize, and after that we also clear the save setting. Okay, so these two line here in this main, and before that just create the object. Now the setting is ready, and let's open the home screen where we will just check the current version and the server version. So here in my case I am using this, and here in the init I have just made 2 seconds delay so that the UI will load, and after that I have called a method, and that is check for version update. And in this method first we can just create two objects. One is store version and the second is installed version. And for the store version, just upgrader dot version info dot app store version, and for installed version, upgrader dot version info dot installed version. In this case we have both versions. One is store version, that is play store version or app store version, and the second is installed version, that is a device. And here I have just printed both versions so we can also check the log. And after that first we will just check in this if condition. So first check is store version should not be equal to null and installed version should not be equal to null. So if both are not null, then we will again check. If this store version is greater than installed version, that means we have a new version to update. Then we will just call another method, that is check for update. And if this fails, we will just print a log, that is app is up to date. And if either this store version or installed version is null, we will just print version info not available. Okay, so now let's talk about this check for update. So here I have passed this store version, and why I have passed this, because I want to show this version in the dialog, otherwise this is not necessary. So just open this check for update, and here first we will just create one string, that is platform dot is Android, and here I have just made a condition. So basically this is the short form of the if condition. So if the version is Android, then we will put this URL in this update URL. Otherwise, here we will put App Store URL. So I have made this blur because this is my client's project, so I don't want to reveal everything. That's why I have made this blur. Okay, so the next thing here, this is totally optional for my requirements. So you don't need to do anything in this. So you can just get this update URL using this condition and show the dialog. So in this dialog, I have passed this update URL and the store version. So this store version I will show in the dialog, and this update URL will be used to navigate relative store. That means in case of Android, it will navigate to Play Store, and in case of Apple, it will navigate to App Store. So let's open this show update dialog. So here nothing is special. We have this update URL and store version, and I have just made this heading and this message, and I have used this store version here. So the message will be a new version of the app. This version is available. Please update to continue. And here we have created one button. Once anyone will click, we will just use this. Okay. So first we will create one URI using this update URL. And here if can launch URL, then launch URL. Else we will show one snake bar. And here error, could not open the update link. Okay, so this is what we need to use to add app updater in our project. So let's run this and show the output. So already I have just made this version lower. So in my case, it will show the dialog. So let's run this. And here you can see in this dialog, update available. A new version of the app 108 is available. Please update to continue. And once you will just click on this update now button, it will open the Play Store. Okay. Now let's see the log that we have printed. So here available version is 108 and installed version is 105. So this was the demonstration how we can add the app updater in our projects. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.